It's a beautiful day here in Costa Rica. Some of you might know I've been dating Tarzan for quite a while now. Well, he invited me to come and live in the jungle. So, we have a little casita that we are working on to live in the jungle. Let me show you what we've got. Come on, let's go! Here's the casita. This is what I'm working on today. Gotta keep those mosquitoes out. Here we're digging a hole for the electrical and painting our bars. Here is all the photos that I took before we started working on the house. As you can see, it's pretty bare bones, so we are starting from scratch. We have been shopping in Panama more times than I can even tell you. Price checking, golfito, all of the different things we will need for the house and garden. We got the scooter here inside my trooper. We've been enjoying sunsets and hunting in the jungle for food. The three things we need to get done on the house are the windows, the roof, and the electricity. So that's what we've been working on for the last 6 weeks. Everything is coming together. Check out the house now. What's up? Yeah, the roof is here. Today's the day that we're getting the roof done. This one has holes in it. These guys are crazy. They're doing a great job. Tough work changing roofs. Easy! So excited! After much anticipation, today we're getting electricity! The ISE is here. We requested them to come yesterday and they're here today! Woo! Nuevo! We are 5 weeks into this project and God said, let there be light! And we have a new roof. Look at this. Oh, so beautiful. The rain will not hit us anymore. We're gonna set up our beds in. Feel so happy. So cool to see all this happen, all the magic happening, finally completing. Break time for donuts! There are still a few other things to be done in this house, but we are ready to move in. I'm super pumped. We're still working on these windows, but we're just about finished with that project. We got the grass all trimmed up nice, cleaned up the yard, and we are cutting up some tables with Kaner. Cool! Ah, guapo!
Scorpion bite is gonna
Y puede causar la muerte también.
He's gonna make you what?
To do poop or pain.
Poop?
Yeah.
He makes you poop?
Ok, listo.
Ah! Ah!
Listo.
First night in the luxury bed. Today we're finally putting on the windows. Ah! They look so beautiful. Me encanta. Can't wait to hang my flower boxes from them. These boys are doing an amazing job. Working so hard. Cleaned up the bedroom. Lindo now. I'm gonna put up this curtain rod. My cute pieces of wood. The windows are going up. We are in week 6 and everything is coming together. I feel super grateful for all the people who've helped us. Super happy to be sleeping in our little casita on the most comfy bed. It's so quiet and peaceful, and there's a tree out front that the toucans love to hang out in. It's absolutely amazing. I'm so excited to be able to have family come visit, hopefully sooner than later. New videos on Monday. Like and subscribe, support your girl. If you have any questions, feel free to post it in the comments. And we'll see you next week. Ciao!